Hello traders, welcome to this new video. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the market outlook for the morning. So let's start with Nifty, that what we did today. So basically, you all know Nifty opened a good gap up. That is because of US markets. As you can check, US markets closed with a big green candle yesterday, and because of that market opened a good gap up. But what happened? See, understand guys, there's a confluence of three things. That's why the market came down. First of all, I have shared the data with you that was bearish, that FIs were short in the markets, the bearish data. Then you can see there is an important level. There's a 3 days high of Nifty. What you can see here, a bearish data, a gap, a negative red candle, negative intraday live market data, which means we have call writing at these levels. And the first candle was red. So we opened gap up. We opened with a red candle, big red candle, which pretty much cleared the direction of the markets today. And we have a good resistance, 3 days resistance here. So what it suggests that the smart money, the big players, got a gap up because of US markets, and they have maintained a stance of sell on rise. So what they did, they hammered the markets in the morning very aggressively to fill this gap. So what happened? Market came down, then gave a small pullback, made a lower high, and then again started to falling back to the levels of previous low. Okay, and then markets again give a pullback, lower highs, and we came back down again to these levels. And then in the last, we got a good short covering. Why? Because there's a time factor. Understand this. If you have shorted the markets, if any big player shorted the markets in the morning, intraday players shorted the markets, or whether you have a positional short in Nifty in today's expiry. So what will happen if you are a call writer? You have booked a good profit, but in the end, near 3 p.m., what you are going to do? You are going to book your profits. That leads to, see, what is call writing? Means you are in minus CE. If you are shorted one lot of Nifty, you are minus 50 in Nifty. So now what you are going to do, if you want to book profits, you are going to plus 50 in Nifty. Okay, if you are going to long one lot. So that's how the short covering came. The smart money booked their profits, and you got a good sharp short covering in the markets. See, on 15 December, rise, and after 2 to 30, we got a sharp fall. Okay, so this is the after 2 p.m. technique, the 2 p.m. strategy. You can name it whatever you want. And this is the first candle strategy. Use 15 minutes candle if you want to. What happened in the markets? Understand, a good red candle with the confluence of important writing in the intraday markets, the previous day data, that what FIs have did in the markets, what are their positions, okay, and important levels. So let's move to 15 December first candle. 15 December first can see. Again, we opened at 14th. We opened in this range, a day high range, and a big red candle got sold into, filled this gap. We got a gap here, filled this gap, pull back, sold, pull back, sold. Okay. On 14th, what happened? On 13th, on 14th, what happened? Red candle, but failed to keep the breakdown of the first candle. So what happened? We got a gap here, tried to fill the gap, but didn't fill the gap. What happened? Given the retest of day's low at this point, and then fill the gap smoothly. So this is the first candle strategy. Basically, you have to go short only below if you got the breakdown or breakout of the first candle. Okay, on a closing basis. So let's talk about what can happen in Nifty in the morning. See, I have not shared the today's data because it is not valid. It is as it is the data of expiry. Okay, so let's talk about the scenarios which we can play in the morning. See, if markets open flat, what we can do? Came down to this trend line or this horizontal support and play a sideways in first few hours of the market, and then when we break this range, either upside we can see this target, or if we break today's low, we can see the targets of we can see the targets of 150. Okay, we can see the targets of 150 in the cards. एंड ये भी हो सकता है कि यहाँ से लॉन्ग हो, ये लेवल्स तक जाए एंड यहाँ से हमको एक करेक्शन देखने को मिले जो कि ये गैप फिल कर दे. ओके, ये सेकंड सिनेरियो रेंज में रहने का. इफ वी ओपन अ गैप डाउन, we open gap down below today's low, what can happen? We open gap down, what can happen in the markets? Understand, अगर रेड कैंडल बनी, उसका ब्रेकडाउन आया below this level, below this level, we can see a good fall up to 17,000 levels. Yes, it is possible that we can see 17,000 and below that we can go below that and fill this gap tomorrow only or on Monday. So maintain a sell on rise stance. And if we open gap up, which is unlikely, but if we open gap up, remember we will come down to fill this gap. Even if you want to go up, we have to fill the gap. As you can see from past 3 days, markets are filling all the gaps. Okay, so if markets want to go up, what they will do, open a gap up, fill this gap, then rally. But rally is limited up to the levels of 17,545, 50, around these levels. Okay, so what is my stance? If markets open gap down and we breach the low of the first candle or the high of the first candle, we can play in that direction. And if we break 150 in the cards, trail the full profits, guys. We can see Friday mayhem in the markets, a good correction in the markets. As you can see that the Nasdaq is falling very fastly in the markets. We can see Nasdaq falling. Okay, so basically which sector holds the highest weightage in Nifty? It is IT. And if US markets, then if the Nasdaq is falling, we can see some profit booking or the correction in our IT segments. Let's check. So we have a good flag and pole pattern in the daily charts of Nifty IT. But here we are on the resistance. So what we can see a good fall, or we can see like a consolidation in these levels range till February. So I'm expecting that we can get some short moves in IT stocks. We can see some shorts in IT. Okay. That's why I want to tell you that maintain a sell on rise stance in the markets. Then let's talk about Bank Nifty. So what can happen in Bank Nifty? See guys, Bank Nifty is doing the same. Gap up, gap filled, gap filled, gap, gap filled. So gaps are being filled by the markets. So what we can expect in Bank Nifty tomorrow in the morning? If we open sideways, above this range, what we can do above this range, this is the another range. So Bank Nifty is not very lucrative to me for the morning. So I rather stick to the Nifty. Okay. If it breaks this range, we can see the targets of 37,000 on the cards. If we open here, we can see that we can fill this gap, and then you can see a sideways market in Bank Nifty. If we open below this, what we can do? Retest, breakdown, retest, and a continuation. Below today's low, we can see a good targets of 36,000. We can see a good fall of 600 points in the markets. And below that, we can fill this gap too. Overall, we are in a sell on rise markets. Okay, guys. So basically, if you open gap up and then don't go long immediately, either wait for work with the first candle strategy, or let the markets retest and continue if you want to go long. But according to me, the targets are not very lucrative for the longs. Only go long above this. And in Nifty, I suggest go long above this if you want to go for the targets of 17,550. Okay. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you very much. And let me know what you have learned from this video. Thank you. Good night.